This is recently on the market. The model is called the Dartmoor Dragon. It's a retort kiln that uses 45-gallon drums. Basically the drums we use, oil drums aren't any good, but fruit juice drums are ideal for it. So what we do is we stack the drum inside of here. We light a fire underneath it to start with, and that drives the moisture off. Once the moisture's off, we start getting wood gas, and what you can see now is all the wood gas burning off of it. And once that wood gas dies down, stops, we know that inside that drum we've got charcoal, good quality charcoal, around about 90 to 95% carbon, which makes it very easy to light, burns evenly, no waste. So we need to keep the oxygen levels down. That's why it's kind of roaring at the moment. So if we put the lid back on, it just keeps it at a reasonable temperature. At the moment it's operating just around about 800 degrees centigrade.